What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1972 Nova. This car here has power steering, 307. I decoded the motor, and on the back it came back as a 307, date code correct, and on the front here the last four numbers matched the VIN. So I do believe this is the original motor in this car. We're gonna be walking around this, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Still left my chamois on there from earlier. I do this with every car on the lot, and this week we've got a total of 18 of these cars to do. So definitely hit that subscribe button. We're gonna post videos every day. Make sure the door's shut, and we're gonna get started here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures and all of our inventory. All right, let's get started here. You got a set of Kragers on this one. Really good tires. Nice clean wheels. And looking down the side, this car is very straight. The front bumper has been replaced and it's nice and clean looking. It's still got some marks on it. It almost looked replaced, but you can see some little bitty rust spots coming through on the top of the bumper. Here and there. The grille looks pretty good though. Pretty good shape. Car's nice and straight. Coming down the side. Gonna be checking the bottoms of the doors. You can see this door hangs just a little bit. Looking for any bubbles, rust marks. I tried to get most of the water off. Of course, you know it's always raining here in Tennessee. It's about that time of year though. So I got y'all up under the awning here. The top's a little bit wrinkled here. You see it's coming off. I'm looking around for any kind of rust bubbles. That's why I'm rubbing on it. Trying to make sure I'm not missing anything. That way, you know what all you need to do. This top actually looks pretty good other than those little wrinkles. There's some up here in the middle too. All the trim is nice and clean. Good tread on these back tires. Package tray is missing its speakers. Something you'll have to add. Back bumper is really nice. Dual exhaust out the back. We'll be opening the trunk here shortly. A little bit of a tear I felt there. What I'm doing here is I'm rubbing and see if I can find any bubbles up under this top here. But so far so good. Looks fairly new. Like I said, there's some wrinkles. Looks like it's just those two on the top and the one on the other side. Checking the bottoms of the doors again. Look pretty good. Paint job on this is awesome looking. Nice and clean. Mirrors and the door handles are in good shape. All the trim around the windows looks nice. Front windows in good shape as well. All right, we've made it around the car. Let's go ahead and pop that trunk. Go ahead, be thinking about it. You think the horn works on this one? A little game we like to play on the channel. Got a little bit of moisture coming in right here. You can see where it's dripping from up here. The trunk itself is in good shape. Checking the package tray, it looks nice and clean. Trunk lid is also nice and clean. It shuts fairly easy. Come down kind of fast, didn't it? Coming down here, checking out the door panels. In good shape. Weather stripping looks great around them. Bottom of the door here. It's pretty good. Carpet's in great shape in this car. Trying to let some light up in here. I need to get me a big old overhead light. Seat's in good shape as well. Headliner's in good shape. Let's go ahead and jump in here. We'll get her started up. Showing 91,000 miles on the dash. It's hard to stand behind that on a 72 model. Wipers work. Gas gauge is coming up and working. Blower motor working. No AC on this one. Radio not working. Have to get the radio fixed. No, wait. Oh yeah, there's no speakers in the tray. It's cutting on. Horn, y'all ready? Horn works. Throttle feels good on this one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down here. Comes down nice and easy, pretty quick too. Lines up well. All right, guys, we're going to get you some undercarriage shots. We're going to start up here in the front, go all the way around the car. Check out maplemotors.com for more detailed pictures. Look. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Getting ready to do a test drive video as soon as it stops raining out here. Rain's moving in. I think here after lunch, it's all going away. So I'm gonna get a bunch of walk-arounds done this morning under the awning. And this afternoon, I'll take all of them for a test drive. So be looking for the test drive video. You can catch it the last 30 seconds of every video, or type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.